All right, guys, it is time for She Works Hard Saving Money. And it's a fun special edition because both of these quotes came from people going through the 14-day money finder. And this came on a day where we challenged people to give back. Angela said, when I saw this, I asked, huh? I'm literally down to my last dollar until payday. However, I have been blessed beyond more than I can deserve in material things. A young single mother and her child recently moved to our town and have nothing, not even money. The mother is dying of cancer and has not yet been approved for benefits. The family has been setting up their new apartment and have nothing. I was able to give them a rug, some wall art, candles, and a small cleaning set, paper towels, Windex, etc. It was small, but it made me feel great. I will continue to pray for opportunities like this. That's amazing, Angela. That's not small, girl. You like went big. That's so fun. Stephanie said, purchase a $5 Starbucks gift card and wrote a note with it that said, random acts of kindness for you. Oh, so fun, you guys. Okay, with the 14-day money finder, people are finding on average $2,000 throughout the year going through this fun 2-week series. Now, if you've been inspired by Angela and Stephanie and you want to learn more, make sure to click the link below.